we were a small group of basically retro fans working with old computers. Basically, we grew up in the 80s with C64s and Nintendo and all these things. And last year we decided, like, we never had a really cool mobile game console, and we decided to build our own. So we started. This is where we are at the moment. This is the prototype. I can switch it on. We may actually get a picture. Yeah, there it is. It's a bit work in progress now, so it doesn't really move. All these old systems, they are slowly disappearing. There's lots of new coming out. And we wanted one that sort of focused on developers and what it was like for developers to work on these restricted systems, because often retro systems focus on the player and like retro games are often like big pixels and flashy colors. But when you work with one of these, like with the C64 or NES or Game Boy or whatever, it was a whole different development experience than compared to today in modern systems and modern graphics. So we thought, hey, let's build a mobile system with everything else, like the hardware. Really start the game operating system from scratch, and really focus on sort of the developer experience, what it was like to keep that alive. And we built this prototype early this year. It's based on a pre-made board, one of these. So we had something quickly. So mainly this is just the screen and the controls. And we started writing the game OS. And I hope we'll have the second prototype, well, in 3 or 4 months. The Attraktor village. We're a makerspace in Hamburg. We're around 100 people or so. So we're a bit bigger. And I met the guys I'm doing this with at the makerspace, and we have a talk here. It was really just one evening sitting at the hackerspace and talking about old systems, and then we had this crazy idea of actually doing this, and then it all moved from there. My day job, I actually design electronics, so I'm kind of the hardware guy of the team, and I also do the low-level software. We have one other guy here who does all the graphics and aesthetics and really the game mechanics, and another guy who's still in Hamburg. Unfortunately, he couldn't come. He does there's a companion design tool coming with it that we're also building, where you can like draw all your graphics and eventually even you'll have a sort of a development environment where you can like code the game, so you don't have to do it on the system, and it's all a bit integrated.